sponsor now, and Blue Sky, and any other sponsors that I certainly haven't forgotten them, but it's fantastic, and I just hope we can certainly help you, and the way good performances is also encouraging for the sponsors, and I can assure you every tournament we go to, our players will go out and give it 200%. They're very, very fit, they're making big shifts, but I've always said it's small shifts at a time. It's not going to happen overnight, and it's gradually getting there, and I've seen some very, very good young players that are coming through the system now, and we are young. We named 2 very young players from the tournament just last weekend, the Barrish tournament. And for one of those players to have emotion, the emotion on the boy's face, the tears even from his mum, and those are quite special times. So now, without further ado, I'd like to announce the team that will play at Las Vegas. Joe Perez, Tom Giuseppe, Jordan Van Kelly, Steve Manuel, Murphy Polo, Alatasi Tako, Tafatu Saria, David Athamasana, Elizabeth Jacob Ali, Nuria Komai, Tomasi Olosio, Tila Niolui, La Nui La Rua. Basically, from the team, as I indicated to the boys outside, there's only one change really from the side that played in Hamilton, and that only change is now the defection of Whalaminga Salisali, who has actually stepped down and actually moved back to New Zealand, to Hawke's Bay, to focus on his 50 years career. So for the team that is here, the rewarders have been reselected for the next tournament, so we continue the improvement, but at the same time, they've got boys just champing at the bit to be in the side to go to the following tournaments. So thanks very much for today, and again, thanks so much to the sponsors. Cheers.